Hi guys, today we are going to solve a problem using integration. Okay, this is our problem. A stone is thrown vertically upwards with an initial velocity of 4.9 meters per second from a point 2 meters above the ground. Take the ground as the origin of the coordinate system with the upward direction as positive. The acceleration due to gravity is A equals minus 9.8 meters per second squared. What we have to find is the maximum height reached by the stone and the speed with which it hits the ground. Alright, let's solve the problem. First of all, we have to find the equations for velocity with respect to time and displacement with respect to time. Okay, this is our velocity. V of t equals indefinite integral a dt. That is, V of t equals integral minus 9.8 dt, which gives minus 9.8 t plus a constant c. To find the constant c, we substitute t equals 0 and v equals 4.9, which are our initial conditions. So 4.9 equals minus 9.8 times 0 plus c, and this gives c equals 4.9. Now our equation for velocity is v of t equals 4.9 minus 9.8 t. Now we have to find the displacement. To find the displacement, we integrate the velocity function, that is s equals integral v dt. So what we get here is s equals 4.9 minus 9.8 t dt, and solving this integral we get 4.9 t minus 4.9 t squared plus c. We use the initial conditions of our problem, which are t equals 0 and s equals 2. So 2 equals c. So c is 2, as we can find from this equation here. Now, the maximum height will occur when the velocity is equal to 0. That is, 4.9 minus 9.8 t equals 0, which gives t equals 0.5 seconds. And to find this height, what we do is to substitute t equals 0.5 in the equation of s, of the displacement, which is 4.9 times 0.5 minus 4.9 times 0.5 squared plus 2 equals 3.225 meters. This is our maximum height. And finally, when the stone hits the ground, its displacement will be 0, as we are measuring displacement from ground level. So for s equals 0, we have this equation here. Write it down, equals 0, which gives t equals 1.31 seconds. And to find the velocity, we substitute this value of t in the equation of velocity, which is v equals, as we can see here, write down the equation, and we get minus 7.95 meters per second. The velocity is negative as the stone is moving in the negative direction. The question asks for the speed, which is the magnitude of this velocity, so our speed is 7.95 meters per second. Thank you for watching this video.